Welcome. This is video 3 of 3 from the Cultural Connections Drones tutorials. And here's how to host a drone career exploration. By now, you've probably watched the first 2 videos and your drone is ready to go. Next, we're going to take a look at the career exploration kit. Take the lid off the tote marked with career exploration. Inside, you'll find a set of cones. Take those out. You'll use those in a bit. Next, remove the safety triangles. You'll also find duct tape and a tarp. Let's lay our tarp out. It's a big tarp, so make sure there's a large open area to lay it flat. Duct tape the corners of your tarp so it's not a tripping hazard. If needed, tape down all edges. Got it. Identify your curriculum binder. In the back of your binder, there's the Career Exploration Guide. Using your Career Exploration Teacher's Guide, match the different colored cones on the tarp to their corresponding X in the manual. Please refer to the career exploration scenario that you have chosen to figure out the number of cones that you will need and what each color means. Please note, the orange and red cones are similar colors but have different meanings depending on the scenario that is chosen. Another component of the career exploration activity is to invite drone professionals from the community to visit and share with the students. Visitors may bring examples of drones they work with or data they have collected, like shown here. Students will have the opportunity to explore career fields involved with drones and ask questions to drone professionals. There is also a storytelling component that can be added to the career exploration day. Depending on what scenario is chosen, check in the community to see if an elder or knowledge bearer who is knowledgeable on the topic of the drone activity would be interested in coming to the classroom for a storytelling day. For example, in the Nenana Career Exploration, students are asked to count salmon spawning in the river. So who from the community could come speak to the students about the importance of salmon populations and salmon monitoring? We're so glad you chose to use the Cultural Connections Drones tutorials. Please consult your Career Exploration Guide for further assistance. Thanks so much for joining us.